Welcome to Abhi's channel. Today we are going to see about Nifty learning option strategies for 17th August to 20th August. So whatever the strategies we have suggested below, it's for the expiration contract 20th August. So before going into the video, the same thing, we just want to highlight some important points. That is, whatever strategies we have provided below are only for learning purpose. It's not for live market trading. In case if anyone wants to trade these strategies in the live market, please do your own research by checking maximum drawdown, maximum loss, profits, and how are you going to adjust it in case if it goes in a different direction and all. Then please take the strategies. We are not SEBI approved research analyst or financial advisors, so please take the strategies only after checking with some research analyst or investment advisors. So we can go to the video now. So market closed around 11,178 today evening, which is nothing but Friday 14th August. It's in the same condition as like the last week. It is around 11,200 and something on last week. So for the upcoming week, mostly the strategies are first two strategies are same, which is nothing but you have to buy one 11,200 call and you have to sell one 11,300 call. So if you feel the market will close above 11,200, like 11,250, 230, something like that, 262, something like this, so then you can try this strategy by running one 11,200 call and selling one 11,300 call. So if you feel the market will go up, then why do we have to sell this 11,300 call? Generally, it will come to any person's mind. But why we are doing like this is, see, anyone will have a, in most of the time, the market, when you take any probability, it has all chances of 50%, it goes in a different direction. For example, if you feel market will go above 11,200, so but it will not move in the same way always. It will go in a different direction, like it will go down below 11,200. In those cases, whatever the premium you have paid for 11,200 will be fully lost if you close it during the expiration. In those cases, we are saving some amount of premium by selling this 11,300 call. For example, if 11,200 call, if you are buying it for 50 rupees and 11,300 call is around 20 rupees, 30 rupees, then you can, the maximum loss will be 50 minus 30, will be 20 rupees of your maximum loss. If market goes in the up direction, your profit is limited to 11,300. So in case if market goes above 11,300, your maximum profit will be from 11,200 to 11,300. So the same way it will be for the put as well. In case if market goes below 11,200, your maximum maximum profit can up to 11,100. So you will not get any profit after 11,100. But still, yes, if market goes in a different direction, if it goes above 11,200, but you bought 11,200 put, then your loss is limited up to the premium you have paid. So you will get some premium from this 11,100. So please check the max drawdown, break evens, etc. with the Opstra definite solution. So how to check that, I'll show you with the third strategy, which is from the people who take a view that market will be float between 11,000 to 11,400 by end of Thursday expiry. So here you can see, even I have given a strategy which can even 100 more points of down cushion, which is nothing but 10,900 to 11,400. So if you take it in this way, you have to buy one call 10,800 put and you have to sell one 10,900 put. At the same time, you have to sell 11,400 call and buying 11,500 call. So break even will be like this, 10,876 to 11,424. If market goes below 10,878 or if market goes 11,424, then your loss will start. But this is a very big cushion actually, which is nothing but 10,900 to 11,400, which is around 500 points. The market stays at 11,200 now, so it will be 2,020 points up and 2,020 around 320 points down. So your maximum profit can come is 1,160. At the same time, your maximum loss will be 5,730. So probability of success of this strategy will be around 65%. I have given all the details here. So login into Opstra Definites. This is a free checking only for this one. So you select Nifty and options. So 20th August contracts you need to check the strike price you want to sell or buy. Then you select whether it's a call or put. So based on, for example, the first one will be 10,800 put buy. So select 10,800 put. In the P call side, you select PE, then you select buy, then you click add this position. Add these positions one by one, all the 4 positions you need to add: 10,800 put buy, 10,900 put sell, 11,400 call buy, and 11,500 put sell. So once after this, you will be able to see these positions in the strategy positions. So it will be 10,800 call buy, 10,900 call sell, 11,400 call buy, and 10,500 call sell. So once you created all these positions, automatically your payoff chart will be shown here. At the same time, it will show the maximum probability of profit. So it will be above 50%. So it will be around 66.62. So we can say it is 65%. So maximum profit, as I said earlier, it will be 1,770. They say it is a 4.19% of profit, which is nothing but how they calculated is based on the margin, estimated margin required for this strategy. So this margin may differ from broker to broker, but they have taken this at a common way, which is around 42,193. The maximum loss can be around 5,730. At the same time, the break even also they have provided. It will be 10,877. At the same time, in the upper side, it will be 11,423. So you can even check the break evens here. When you move the mouse over one by one, you can able to see the losses and profits. So with this payoff chart, you will come to know when if market closed around 10,600, what will be your loss, 10,700, what will be the loss. You can able to check this here. So all these contracts are for the next Thursday. All the strategy has been created for the 20th August expiration contract, which is nothing but next Thursday, upcoming Thursday contracts. So please do your proper research on this before you try it in the paper trade or in the live trade. So if you like the video, please click the like button and also share it with your friends and all. So please do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon button. If you click the bell icon, then whatever video, whenever we upload any videos, you will get the notifications. We also started a new fun channel called Sin Boys. So it's like a fun drama in Tamil, and we are planning to put subtitles also in those videos. So it will be fun for you, for the English speaking people as well. So please do subscribe to the channel in YouTube and the Facebook as well. Thank you so much.